$5 million years ago, our earliest ancestors emerged from the forest onto the first open grasslands. The rest is history. From the prairies of North America to the steppes of Eurasia, pampas in South America, and the savannas of Africa, grasslands have made us who we are, and we have shaped them too. Grasslands also have a secret, hidden underground, where their root systems dig deep to survive heat waves and cold snaps, floods, and wildfires. All that wildlife underground means we can think of grasslands as upside-down rainforests, because they also store a ton of carbon. Grasslands are vital to the system that makes the wild work, but they have been transformed and degraded and are one of the most threatened wild places on Earth. They are also one of the most resilient. When we protect grasslands, we create sanctuaries for the buffalo and the elephant, the lion and the badger. When we farm organically, we leave chemicals out of the soil and the rest of the ecosystem. When we remove the pressure created by livestock, grasslands and the wildlife that depend on them get a second chance. Together, we can help grasslands rest and recover. Rewild has partnered with SNAP and the National Park Service to restore California's Santa Monica Mountains National Recreation Area by planting a combination of native grasses, herbs, and shrubs that together can help recreate a healthy ecosystem. There's so much more to do. Let's rewild our world.